Dining hall without wash basin sounds incomplete. Hello viewers, welcome back to again my channel Decor for you. In the video I have shared wash basin idea for your dining hall. In this video I have shared 100 plus wash basin design for your living room. I hope you will like all the design and ideas. Furthermore, in the video we will discuss some basic questions why we need a wash basin in dining hall and much more. Well, the first question comes, why we need a sink in dining area? Well, using the sink in powder room or bathroom after each and every meal considered unsanitary in many Indian homes. Then dining hall wash basin is a perfect option for washing hands and a true luxury in dining area. Dining hall wash basin is a basic necessity which completes your overall dining area. And the next basic question is, what is the best location for sink in dining hall? Well, in big dining hall, you can place anywhere your wash basin area. But in compact homes, like in apartments, you can choose corner of your dining hall. It is a perfect suitable option for compact or small dining areas. In compact dining halls, you can also choose designs like a wash basin with crockery unit. And the next basic question is, what should be the size of a wash basin? Well, here also you can install your sink according to the space in your dining area, but the minimum width and the height of a sink must be 7 to 8 inches respectively, and the finished wash basin height should be approximately 2 feet 10 inches, but you can modify it according to your needs. So viewers, I hope you will find the beautiful design for your dining hall in the video. I have shared 100 plus design ideas. If you like the video, you can like it and share it. If you are newbie on this channel, you can subscribe this channel for more such type of design and ideas. And I hope this video will be helpful for you to find the basic question about wash basin in dining hall. Thank you for visiting here. Enjoy the video. You can also write in comment box if you like the video.